Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add text to your projects on Canva. It is an easy process, so let's get straight into the video. But before that, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so you get notified every time we post videos similar to this. Now, to add text to any of your projects, you can simply head over to the text section, which is on the left panel. Click on text. If you know the name of any of the text, then you can also search the text from here, or if you want, you can choose from all these selections. If you have a premium account, then you can also choose any of these pro versions, which is not available on the free account. For example, if you like this text, then you can simply click on this and it will be added to the canvas. From here you will be able to change it to any word you like. You can also change this color if you don't like the color, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the text. There are also a few effects that you can add to your text, such as you can add shadows, or you can also add backgrounds to your text, which gives it a nice effect around your text. So that's how easily you can add text on Canva. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. That will be it for this video. We will be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.